First at noon, thanks for joining us. I'm Brian Houston. The jury is watching the 2-hour taped police interview in the Brooke Skylar Richardson murder trial, and we are also learning more about bodily fluids found at her house. Not on your side's Allie Kramer takes us inside the courtroom.
Right now, jurors are watching a taped interview of Brooke Skylar Richardson. This was the first interview when she sat down with investigators, and it lasts a little more than 2 hours. And in this interview, we've actually seen snippets of it from opening statements. It seems that investigators believe what Brooke is saying and that she didn't do anything to harm her baby. They are very understanding in this case. She was willing to do that interview, but we know that there was a second interview with investigators that is also on taped. Unsure if the jurors will actually get to see that today or not, but they are in the middle of watching that first taped interview. This morning, we were also able to hear from a forensic scientist who studied the DNA and bodily fluids that were collected inside the Richardson home and also compared those samples to both Richardson and the alleged father in this case, Trey Johnson, who already testified earlier in this trial. And that DNA expert was able to tell us that, in fact, Richardson and Johnson were the biological parents of the skeletal remains that were found in Richardson's backyard. We expect that there will be some questioning of the detective in this case after that video is played. Of course, Josh Bazan is inside the courthouse. He'll have the very latest for you this afternoon on Not on Your Side. But for now, reporting outside the Warren County Courthouse, Allie Kramer, Not on Your Side.